Hi guys, today I'm going to be telling you guys about a very simple and effective home remedy for the cough, the common cough. I know people who have had coughs for weeks and weeks at a time, and this remedy helped them get rid of it very quickly. So what you're going to need is you're going to need some cayenne pepper, some ground ginger, some honey, and some apple cider vinegar. If you don't have one of these ingredients, I recommend going to get it, but you can probably try it without if you don't have it. And then you'll need some warm water. It doesn't necessarily have to be warm, but it makes the ingredients mix a little better. And then just a tablespoon and a teaspoon measure. So the first ingredient I usually add is the water, and you're actually only going to put about 2 tablespoons of water in. And some of these were a little short, so sometimes I go about 3 tablespoons. And this, obviously, it's not going to taste good. It's not meant to taste good. That's why there's so little water in it. It's more like a shot that you just down really quickly to help with your cough. But then you're going to put in 1/4 of a tablespoon of cayenne pepper. So I just use the tablespoon and sort of estimate. It's not, you don't have to be exact. And that should be about good there. Next, you can put the ground ginger in, and that's 1/4 of a teaspoon. So very little ground ginger. Here's the teaspoon. Again, I'm just going to estimate. It's about 1/4 there. And then I usually put in the apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon of that. There we go. And finally the honey, and a tablespoon of the honey as well. Now the honey can be obviously sticky, so sometimes I just estimate it in there, but if you want to measure, you certainly can. And the honey's going to be the best tasting thing in there, so you know, you don't have to be stingy on the honey. There we go. Again, this is going to be impossible to get out. Still a lot in there. Okay. And then I'll add just a little more honey in here because I don't think all of that got in there. And there you have it. So that's the home remedy for the cough. You want to stir it up. Make sure it's nice and mixed. Again, it's not going to taste good. I don't have a cough right now, so I'm not going to drink it, as it's unnecessary torture, but it's not that bad. It's if you drink it quick, it goes down easy. So let me know if you have any questions, and hopefully that'll help cure your cold.